What up, everybody? Since some people like these, I'm going to do an unboxing video today. Today we have this bastard of a game, Galgun 2 for the Nintendo Switch, made by NT Creates, I believe. I saw this game being played at Tokyo Game Show last year, and it was pretty absurd. You should go check out that video. That was a fun night, or a fun weekend, I should say. I saw After the Burial that weekend too. That was a really good show. Love that band. Anyway, let's look at the case here. Get it in focus. I'm using a DSLR. Barcode. If you know her controller, it looks like a PS4 controller, but it has VMUs on it. So it's apparent this reality is the reality where Sega never left the console industry, and now everyone's up to like the Dreamcast 5, and it's amazing. See, look at her. She's playing like Capcom versus SNK 10. Something like that. The actual Street Fighter fight never happened, but we kept on getting good versus games. Don't know what this chick is doing. Don't know what she's doing. She looks like really unhappy for whatever reason. She's really happy. Take a look at the back. It's still in the saran wrapping. This is the Japanese version, but interestingly enough, this game is dual language, so I don't have to wait for the English version to play it. So I could just pop this in and set the language to English, and boom, be on my way. What does that say right there? Supe Sharu Dorama CD. So there's a drama CD and an illustration book. Oh, cool. Anyway, so I like the artwork. So anyway, let's get the camera back in focus. Nice Tommy wood here. It's Tommy floor. And I'm going to use a box cutter I stole when I was working at Target. I don't know how I managed to sneak this into Japan, but here we are. Using it to open Galgun 2 Special Edition. This game is not out yet in the West, but it's out here in Japan as of March 15th, 2018. Get that saran wrap off. Ah, there we go. Nice and crisp. Cool, now let's open it up. There's the Galgun 2 game, also in the saran wrap. Same cover as the special edition. Kind of disappointing, or actually no, it's not the same. It has the same characters, but they're in different positions. Okay, that's cool. They have different expressions. See, she's sad right there. She's happy right here. She's happy right here, but not happy right here. She's playing Dreamcast 5, and she is not playing Dreamcast 5. So I think she's happier in this piece of artwork right here. Anyway, open this up really quick. There we go. Gotcha. Hey, cool. There's a little instruction piece of paper here. Some download stuff. Ooh, lewd. There's the game cartridge. Very nice. What else is in here? Some cardboard. Don't really need that. And I think this is where the drama CD is at. Alright. Cool. Let's open this up really quick. Oh, there we go. Freedom. Alright. It's cool when you open it up, the design matches the background of it. So the CD and the background morph into one. I like that. Basically what a drama CD is, all it is, I have to focus again, all it is just that they get the voice actors from the game, and they give some more background to the story. Fortunately, you need to be like super fluent in Japanese in order to completely appreciate them, but you know, fun to have. And of course we got the art book. Let's take a quick open really quick. Not a big art book. How many pages are on here? Only 38. Woo. This video is not safe for work, everybody. And that's some pretty nice artwork. I mean, it's very anime, but very moe, but I'm digging it. I'm liking this character. She has giant freaking lasers. I'm into it. But yeah, hey, cool. Some sketch art here. Huh, that's pretty nice. Character designs. Yeah, standard stuff. Anyway, so yeah, that's the Galgun 2 Special Edition. This will be getting a review probably closer to its US release. I'm going to be working on Attack on Titan 2 for next Wednesday, but kind of want to give you a little look at what happens if you order the Special Edition. You could get it exclusively from Rice Digital for the UK or US editions. I'll link you that in the description if you want to check it out. So Galagun 2 for the Nintendo Switch. It's gonna be a weird one.